Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can rank up in Rivals. I'm not the best at this game, but if you want to rank up, you do have to play quite a lot on this game. Also, if you would like to, you can play with your friends who are good at this, which, now that I think about it, I don't have any more friends who I know that are good at this game. Let's not talk about that. Anyways, you're just going to want to play a lot on this. Also, make sure that your competitor isn't at 51, the level. We're just going to play. I'm not going to win at all, but you're just going to try, That's how you can level up. But it is easier if you are together with friends. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Also, have weapons because I don't have weapons.